you are writing BECE exam or you have a child, boy or girl, in just 3 or in any other class that is writing BECE in Lagos State, this is your timetable. It will run from 1st of July till the 6th of July, basically a 6-day exam. So just follow me on this timetable and I will give you the timetable. I will also guide. If you also want me to send you this particular timetable, you can just watch this video to the end, like this video, then comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel, then comment. When you comment, I will send you this material. Just comment I've subscribed. Now, on Monday, 1st of July, you write pre-vocational studies and French. Pre-vocational studies and French from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. is pre-vocational studies. From 12:30 to 2:30 will be French. Tuesday, 2nd July 2024 will be business studies. On Tuesday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then CRS stroke Islamic studies will be 12:30 to 2:30. On Wednesday, we have English studies, English and Arabic studies. So English studies will be theory will be 9 a.m. to 10:30. English objective will be 10:30 to 11:30, 1 hour. Then Arabic studies will be 12:30 to 2:30. Thursday, remember, watch this video to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, then come under and comment that you have subscribed. Remember also to like this video. Now, on Thursday, 4th of July, I have basic science and technology, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then national values, 12:30 to 2 p.m. Then on Friday, you have mathematics, both theory and objective. It will be 9 a.m. to 11:30. Then CCA, Cultural and Creative Arts, will be on Saturday. So you have paper on Saturday. Will be on Saturday, 9 a.m. till 11 a.m. Then you have the Nigerian languages, Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, depending on the one your child or you are writing. It will be 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 a.m. So this is basically Lagos State's official timetable, the updated version. Like this video, comment when you just subscribe, like this video, and comment that you have subscribed. Remember to share this to all you know. Thank you so much for watching.